Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download the Amazon shopping app on PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Amazon shopping app on PC or laptop, it's actually very easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome. And once you're on Google Chrome, next you will need to go to the website of Amazon. So just search for Amazon.com on your search bar. And once you're on the website, next I want you to click this 3 dots at the top right corner. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So on this menu, I want you to select Cast, Save, and Share. And then there it is, guys. You will now see the install button for the app. Just go and click it. And then just name this as Amazon.com to make it simple. And then click Install. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. You have now installed the Amazon.com shopping app on your PC or laptop, so you can now access and use it more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.